Welcome back. You are once again welcome to Rest Empire. What are we looking at today? We are looking at understanding AI models, agents, and gems. We are looking at understanding AI models, agents, and DEL. This is very important. Most of us, many of us, we have ChatGPT, we have Gemini, we have some AI applications on our phone, but many of us are not making use of it the way we ought to. Whatever you are doing in your area of profession, if you're a teacher, you're a student, whatsoever you are doing, you are supposed to make use of AI to advance your productivity, to advance your creativity each day. So that is what we are going to learn in this module, which is understanding AI models, agents, and gems. In this 45-minute video, it's going to be educative, and the objective is for you to understand the difference between AI models, AI agents, and AI gems, and how to use each to build a business. Creating solution is a priority at Rest Empire. Yes, that's why we are training you to be a solutionist, a creator, not just an AI user. So wherever you are, let's dive into the class. Pay rapt attention to this. Today we are taking a step back from the tools and we are looking at the engine under the hood. You have used different AI applications like Leonardo to make image. You have used ChatGPT, which is very common, to write scripts, to chat. But do you know what is actually powering them? Today I'm going to teach you the three pillars of modern AI. 1. AI model, which is the brain behind the tools. Then 2, we are going to look at AI agents, which is the assistant that does tasks for you. If you have your AI application and you are still overworking your brain to get your tasks done, that means you are not making full use of your AI applications. Then the third one we are looking at is AI gems, which is the custom expert you can build. Yes, they are just like servants that help you to get tasks done. So by the end of this section, you will not just use AI, you will understand it, and understanding is where the real money is. Yes, not knowing how to generate image, understanding how to create solution with it, that's where the real money is. So AI models, that is the brain. So what is AI model? Think of an AI model as a human brain that has been trained to do one specific thing really well. For example, if you want to become a doctor, you need to go to the School of Medicine, and learn much about your profession. That is how your AI model is. So some models are trained to recognize images, while some models are trained to understand languages, while some models are trained to generate music. Most people have a lot of AI applications on their phone or laptop, but don't really know the right model to use when they want to work. For example, the model for research and development is different from the model for image creation. Your model for image creation is different from your model from music creation. So that's what we are going to learn in this section. So here is the most important thing to understand. There are many different AI models and each one has a specific strength. Yes, they have their specific strength. The first one we have here is large language model, which is called LLMS. Example of these models are ChatGPT-4, Claude 3, Gemini, and they are best for writing, brainstorming, coding, and chatting. If you want to really make good use of research, you want to be good in your research and development, GPT-4, Cloud, and Gemini. They are the best model for you because they are for writing, brainstorming, coding, and chatting. I will add this to it also. DeepSeek. DeepSeek is also an AI model that is very good in brainstorming. For images, yes, your ChatGPT can generate image, but it's because your ChatGPT has link to Sonia. It has link to Sonia. But if you want to really get best of image generation, the right model to use is Stable Diffusion, though it's not free. Dale E3, that one is not free too. Leonardo is not free. Phoenix model, Flow, and so on. So these are the image AI model. They are the best for generating email. While the large language model LLMs like GPT-4, Cloud 3, and Gemini, they are for what? For writing, brainstorming, and what? Coding. Hmm? For video model, the best model is Runway. At a particular time, Grok was released by Twitter, by X, Elon Musk. But at a particular time, they have to stop it because it was free, so they have to place subscription on it, and the subscription was too much, so people run away from Grok. Though they are still free AI model to use, but for video models, Runwheel is the best. Gen 2 is the best. Pika Lab, these are the best video generation model. Also, you can also make use of Flow. So they are best for what? Create generating short video clips and animations. So if you want the audio model, the best audio model are what? Suno AI, Audio, and what? 11 Lab. Yes, Gemini has audio creation stuff, but if you want to get standard commercial and business solution creative audio with AI, this model are the best one for you. This model are the best one for you that I've mentioned. Suno AI, Audio, and what? 11 Lab. You can also use Google Studio AI. So they are best for generating music, voiceover, and what? Sound effect. This is what the most producer are using. For example, go to YouTube and go and search for Ubuntu. Ubuntu. Ubuntu paid for he paid for Suno AI. He paid for Suno. That sound Ubuntu away. Mama Africa is from Suno AI. It's from Suno AI. So when you start using this application, you begin to know more about all this. So here is the golden rule: the better you understand a model strength, the better you can use it. You don't use a video model to write a novel, no, and you don't use a large model to generate a 3D image, no. We have some people that on ChatGPT, they are using their ChatGPT for audio model, for video, and everything. No, ChatGPT is a large level model which is for what? Writing, for brainstorming, coding, and what? Chatting. That's what it's for. So when you master different model, you become a multimedia AI director. Are you ready for this? Let's go to the next one. The next one is AI agents. These are the assistants. AI agents are your assistants. Imagine you are a manager, you are a boss, you have secretary, you have a clerk, you have office assistant. That is what your AI agent is doing. So let me talk to you about AI agents. An AI model is the brain, as I've said earlier, but an AI agent is a worker. Let me say that again. Your AI models, they are the brain, while what? Your AI agent is the worker. So it is a system that uses a model to do a task for you, often autonomously. Yes, It is a system that uses a model to do a task for you, often autonomously. So think of it like this: model, a chef who know how to cook every dishes. Then agent, a waiter who goes to the kitchen, get the chef to cook and bring you the food. Do you see the difference? So the model, they are the chef, hmm, who knows how to cook every dishes. But the agents are the waiters who goes to the kitchen, get the food from the chef and bring the food to you. They are the what? Agents. So in the real world, an AI agent can, number one, write a blog post and automatically post it to your website. You see that? So model can only write. When you brainstorm on ChatGPT, it can only write. You can't use ChatGPT to post your blog on your website. So that is why you need an what? AI agent. So another thing, your AI agent can check your email and draft replies for you automatically without you opening your Gmail applications. So it can monitor a competitor's social media and alert you when they post them. I have a particular At a particular point I uninstall all social media on my phone, and I create an AI agent that helps me early in the morning by 7. It's going to give me alert and suggest top 8 trending news from different websites, and it will send them to me. Once it send them to me, I'll open them to check through what is going on for months without checking through any social media. I only kept WhatsApp. I deleted all other social media, TikTok, but yet I'm still receiving the trending and latest news by the help of what? AI agents. So you don't need to code to use agents. No, there are a lot of agents tools like Make.com, is formerly Integromat, and another one that is very common is what? Zapier. It lets you build agent without writing a single line of codes. So let me show you a simple example of how to use AI agent. So I'm going to use Zapier, and this is what I want to do. I will create an agent that does this. What is this agent going to do? When I add no, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an AI agent that will write a personalized welcome email. Yes, it will write a personalized welcome email. The agent will send that email automatically to my email senders. So do you see that the AI didn't just think, it acted, and that is an agent. So let's what AI agent is. So now let's go to the next one, which is AI gems, which is the custom. So your AI gems is what? The custom. Many of us, we have AI like ChatGPT, that we have a lot of chat history. You have chat history that it's become so difficult for ChatGPT to remember or to do some particular tasks for you. And now there are some recurrent tasks that we used to do. For example, if you are a content creator, if you are generating content, instead of creating different charts for your content, you can create AI gems, a custom gems that will help you. It's already know what you want. It will remember what you want and just perform your tasks for you. So now let me talk about the most exciting concept for business owner and creator: AI gems, sometimes called custom GPT. So a gem is a customized version of an AI model that you train to be an expert in one specific area. Instead of using generic ChatGPT, you can create a gem that specializes in exactly what you need. For example, the Nigeria copywriter gems. You give it an you give it all your past successful and copies. It learn your style. Now when you ask it to write an ad, it sounds exactly like you. For example, the social media content gems. When you create a gems like this, you tell it your brand tone, your audience, and your hashtag. Every time you ask it for a post, it gives you a ready to post caption. For example, the voiceover prompt gem. Maybe you are into music production, you are into voiceover production. Instead of having different chats message for different voiceover, just create a particular gem for voiceover, and you give it the script structure for podcast intro. Every time you need a podcast script, it writes one instantly. So in Google Gemini, these are called gems. In ChatGPT, they are called custom GPT. In Cloud, they are called projects. The beauty of gem is that they save you hours of repetition. You don't have to explain your business every time you open the AI. The gems already know what you want. And this is even useful for many of for students that are writing projects, students that are doing research, either secondary school students or university or polytechnic. This is very important. Make sure you stay to the next video I'm going to drop so that you will learn how to create your own gems. Is that okay? Is that okay? So now I'm going to take us to the challenge where we'll open our Gemini, where we'll open our ChatGPT, and we'll create a custom gem that will help us to perform a particular task. This is just the cheat. This is just the cheat. This is just the cheat. So you can, if you want this, if you want me to send you this prompt and this instruction, this cheat, you can send the message on the comments section. I need it and I will forward it to you. See you in the next video where we learn more about how to create our custom gems, agents, and models.